Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Toyota Camry Maintenance Guide 2024, updated. Owning a 2024 Toyota Camry is a joy, thanks to its blend of reliability and modern features. But even the best vehicles need regular upkeep to stay in top shape. Without proper maintenance, you risk diminished performance and costly repairs. This guide will provide you with essential tips and schedules for keeping your Camry running smoothly. From oil changes to tire rotations, you'll find everything you need to ensure your vehicle's longevity and efficiency. Let's dive into the key maintenance steps to keep your Toyota Camry 2024 in perfect condition. Understanding the maintenance schedule for Toyota Camry 2024. Following the maintenance schedule for your 2024 Toyota Camry can keep it running smoothly for many years. This not only ensures good performance but also helps in maintaining the car's value. Let's break down the recommended maintenance tasks and understand why sticking to the schedule is so critical. Regular maintenance intervals. Toyota has laid out a clear maintenance schedule for the 2024 Camry. Here's a breakdown of what you need to do at different mileage intervals. Every 5,000 miles. Oil change and filter replacement. Fresh oil keeps the engine lubricated and running smoothly. Tire rotation. Rotating the tires ensures even wear, extending their lifespan. Brake inspection. Checking the brakes helps catch issues early before they become serious. Fluid levels check. Make sure to check and top off fluids like coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Every 10,000 miles. Air filter replacement. A clean air filter ensures your engine breathes well and runs efficiently. Cabin air filter check. Keeps the air inside your car clean and fresh. Inspect battery terminals and cables. Ensuring these are clean and free from corrosion prevents starting problems. Every 20,000 miles. Brake fluid replacement. Old brake fluid can affect braking performance. Inspect steering and suspension system. This keeps your ride smooth and safe. Replace spark plugs. Essential for the engine's performance, spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the engine. Importance of following the schedule. Sticking to the maintenance schedule is not just a good idea, it's essential. Here's why. Enhanced performance. Regular maintenance ensures that your car performs at its best. Imagine running a marathon without any training. Just like you'd hit the wall quickly, a poorly maintained car can't run efficiently. Extended lifespan. Taking care of minor issues can prevent them from becoming major problems down the road. Think of it like brushing your teeth daily to avoid cavities and dentist visits. Preserved warranty. Following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule is often a requirement to keep your warranty valid. Skipping scheduled services? You might end up paying out of pocket for repairs that would otherwise be covered. Safety. Regular checks mean your car is always in a safe condition. Neglecting it could lead to issues like brake failure or tire blowouts. By following these guidelines, you'll keep your Toyota Camry 2024 in top-notch condition, ensuring it remains reliable, safe, and efficient for years to come. Essential maintenance tasks for Toyota Camry 2024. Maintaining your 2024 Toyota Camry doesn't just keep it running smoothly, it also makes sure it lasts longer and stays safe. Here are the key maintenance tasks you should never ignore. Oil and filter change. Regular oil changes are crucial for your Camry's health. The engine oil keeps all the moving parts lubricated, which prevents overheating and reduces wear and tear. Toyota recommends changing the oil and filter every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. For the best results, use synthetic oil, which lasts longer and performs better under extreme conditions. Tire maintenance. Proper tire care can extend the life of your tires and ensure a smooth ride. Here are some important tasks. Rotate tires. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. Balance tires. Balanced tires prevent uneven tread wear and improve driving comfort. Alignment. Check the alignment annually or whenever you notice the car pulling to one side. Tire pressure. Keep tires inflated to the recommended pressure found in the owner's manual. Correct pressure improves fuel efficiency and safety. Brake system maintenance. Your brake system is vital for your safety. Regular inspections and maintenance can prevent costly repairs in dangerous situations. Brake inspections. Have your brakes checked at least once a year. Pad replacements. Replace the brake pads when they wear down to about 1/4 inch. Fluid checks. Brake fluid should be checked and replaced as needed to ensure optimal braking performance. Battery care. A well-maintained battery will save you from the inconvenience of a dead car. Here are some tips. Regular checks. Inspect the battery terminals and cables every 6 months for signs of corrosion. Clean them if necessary. Fluid levels. For batteries with removable caps, check the fluid level and top off with distilled water. Replacement. A car battery typically lasts 3–5 years. If your battery is older or shows signs of weakening, it's time to replace it. Fluids check and replacement. Keeping your car's fluids at the right levels ensures smooth operation. Some essential fluids include coolant. Check coolant levels monthly. Replace it every 30,000 miles to prevent engine overheating. Transmission fluid. Check levels every month and add fluid if it's low. Replace it every 60,000 miles. Brake fluid. Check every 6 months and replace as needed. Windshield washer fluid. Top off monthly to ensure clear visibility. Air filter replacement. Replacing air filters is often overlooked, but it's essential for both engine performance and cabin air quality. Engine air filter. Replace this filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. A clean filter allows your engine to breathe better, improving fuel efficiency. Cabin air filter. Change this filter every 12,000 miles to keep the air inside your car clean and free from pollutants. Maintaining your 2024 Toyota Camry through these essential tasks will ensure it remains reliable, efficient, and safe for years to come. Seasonal maintenance tips. Keeping your Toyota Camry in top shape requires attention to seasonal changes. Your car faces different challenges in summer and winter. Here are some tips to prepare your Camry for both hot and cold weather. Summer maintenance. Summer brings high temperatures that can affect your car's performance. Here are some steps you can take to ensure your Camry stays cool and runs smoothly. Air conditioning system. Before summer hits, check your air conditioning system. Make sure it's blowing cold air. If it feels less cool than usual, it might need a refrigerant recharge or a filter change. Don't wait until you're sweltering on the highway. Coolant levels. Your engine's coolant is critical in hot weather. Check the coolant level and top it off if needed. A simple way to remember it is to check it every time you get an oil change. Overheating can cause severe engine damage, so don't overlook this. Tire pressure. Hot weather can cause tire pressure to increase. Make sure your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels found in the owner's manual. Overinflated tires can lead to blowouts, while underinflated tires can cause poor fuel economy and handling. Battery check. High temperatures can drain your battery faster. Inspect your battery and clean any corrosion from the terminals. If your battery is old, consider replacing it to avoid being stranded. Windshield wipers. Summer thunderstorms are common, and good wipers are essential for visibility. Check your wipers for any signs of wear and tear and replace them if they seem brittle or leave streaks. By following these summer maintenance tips, you'll keep your Toyota Camry comfortable and efficient even on the hottest days. Winter maintenance. Winter poses different challenges for your car. Cold temperatures can affect everything from your battery to your tires. Here's what you need to do to prepare for winter. Antifreeze levels. Check your antifreeze level and make sure it is mixed correctly with water. This fluid keeps your engine from freezing in cold temperatures and helps with heating your car's interior. Consider a 50-50 mix of water and antifreeze for optimal performance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into advanced maintenance and troubleshooting. Drive safe and see you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.